right, class. Today we're going to start off by looking at a picture and talking about the person in that picture. Let's take a look. Here's a picture I found. There you go. Of myself. I think I was maybe 10 or 11 years old. Okay. So let's take a look at this picture. And I want you, by yourself, jot down or think of some words you would use to describe me in this picture. I'll give you a few moments. What can you say about me in that picture? Okay. Put it a little closer. All right. Now, in that picture, you could say that I had short hair, that my hair was brown, that I was cute, that I was small, that I looked happy, that I had a pudgy face. So you can use all types of words to describe what I look like or how you think I was. And those words are adjectives. When we talk about hair being brown or short, or I look happy, or that I was wearing a red and white shirt, or my face was round, we're using adjectives to describe what I looked like at that point in time. Okay. Now, I've noted some of those adjectives that you just used to describe me on the board here. All right. Now keep those in mind, and I'm going to show you another picture. Okay. Here is me again. But this time, I'm older. Instead of being 11, I'm about 15 in this picture. So 4 years have passed. All right. So let's look at the earlier picture of me. Okay. Then the older picture of me. Now let's think of those words you used to describe me earlier that we put on the board. How have I changed from when I was 11 to now that I'm 15? Let's talk about that. Well, what are the differences you can easily see? One that I see, my hair is still brown, but when I'm older, my hair is much longer. And when I was younger, my hair was shorter. When I was older, my face lengthened out. So my face isn't as round. Or you could say, my face was rounder when I was younger. So if you listened carefully, we changed the nature of the words we used to describe each of these pictures when we compared them to one another. I talked about my hair being longer or my hair being shorter. So we put ER at the end of the words to show a comparison. Or when I talked about my face being round, it was less round when I was older. It was more round when I was younger. So sometimes we can use less or more with an adjective to show a difference. All right, so we looked at two different pictures of a person at different ages. Me at 11 and me at 15. And we talked about how they were different, using the adjectives we used to describe me when I was younger. And when we use adjectives this way, we are using the comparative form of the adjective. And we often put an ER at the end of the word, longer, shorter, cuter. Or we use the word more round, less round, and so forth. And now we'll talk about our lesson today.